This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. U.S. Steel just hit a multi-year high. Taking a look back, stock soared to the $200 level in June 2008, gave up almost all of its gains in the next 9 to 12 months, dropping into the teens. Now, it then posted a series of lower highs. We have a lower high right here. We have a lower high right here. Came up to about the mid 40s here in 2014, slightly exceeded it in 2018, in which time this became the lower high compared to this and this. And then it undercut the 2015 low during the pandemic decline, dropping to I guess it's an all-time low going back to when the present company was formed around 1990. Now, it's been good news since that time. As we can see on the weekly chart, the stock came back up, crossing the 50% sell-off retracement at the start of 2021, poked its nose up right within a point or so of the 618 retracement, and then settled into this trading range. Now, the trading range broke right here in January, but that turned out to be a buying opportunity, a 2B buy signal right here, popped back into the range and then took off, going up vertically about 80% now since the end of January. It's now above the 618 retracement and sitting at about what is this, a 3-year high. Now, this is a really nice move. The problem is it's kind of hard to buy right here, especially with resistance up here at the 786 retracement. So this is a classic situation where you're trying to wait for some sort of pullback or consolidation. We could get a sideways consolidation right here around the 618. We could get a pullback sort of to this trend line and get down to about the mid-20s, which of course would be a better reward risk, but we just don't know if that's going to happen. Right here, we could see the weekly chart is overbought and it's starting to cross over. So once again, not a good time to buy. If you take a look at the monthly is still soaring right here. So this says that buyers will take control eventually, but we may have to wait for that weekly to work out. Same is true with the daily chart. You can see how stretched we are above the 200-day moving average, and that's a big deal. So I think we're going to get some consolidation. So again, the best entry would be right along this trend line right here, back into this price range. Don't know if we're going to get it, but it sure looks like U.S. Steel is headed towards the $38 to $40 level in the future.